Hello everybody, full English. Who likes the full English? I certainly do. I was going to say I was having a full English today. I was going to do that and omelette. But then I thought, do the both. Full English, omelette. Not one of these ones that you see online, like these Fajita ones. A proper, full English, omelette. Let's make it. So this is everything we've got. I put some plates on these. I've got to fly again. I'll put these into two different bowls because I like black pud and Nat don't. So I'm going to fry them separate. And I got some Lincolnshire sausages, bit of back bacon smoked, some cheese. So I've got a handful of mushrooms on both, some tomatoes, black pud on mine, some eggs, got some beans, and we've got some butter. So quite straightforward, isn't it? We'll get it all cooked up. Right, I've got the pans heating up. I don't need to show you doing the both because they're both going to be exactly the same, apart from one's going to have black pud. You might see a bit of it in the background, but not a lot. I'm going to get some oil in first to get my sausages started. And my bacon and my mushrooms and get it all in together. Get that fat nice and hot. So now I'm going to get two sausages in each one. It's all going to have to come back out after it's virtually cooked, so I'm going to get a couple of bacon in. Yes, you can do the bacon. Bacon's gone in a bit early, but as I said, it's all got to come out anyway. Just turning the sausages over. Oh yeah, bacon's looking nice and crispy. That's what we want. I'm going to get my mushrooms in now. My black pud and my tomatoes for a few minutes. Well, I'm just starting to take things out, guys. Everything's nearly done. I say this is just a fry up bit, isn't it? Everyone knows how to do a fry up, don't they? The little mushrooms, get them out. Oh, love a good old fry up, me. Smelling delicious and all. Smelling delicious. Right, they're all done. They're all fried up. And I've got myself 4 eggs each. So 4 for me, 4 for that. We give them a whisk, put some salt and pepper in. And I gave me pans a wipe over because I don't want the omelette sticking. You know, with all that burnt bacon bits on there and that, I know it probably tastes a lot better. But you don't want it sticking to the bottom, do you? I'm going to get the pans warmed back up then. And we're going to get some butter in now. Butter in. Get that melted first. Butter is melted. Now I'm going to get me eggs in. Oh, I scrambled that one up. Why did I miss that one? I've just mixed all them together. Have I missed that? Get in. There we go. Now when I do my omelettes, I don't do none of this. I let them do on their own, nice and slow, all around the edge. And all you want to do is it starts bubbling around the edges, just keep moving the edge. That's all you want to do. Now this one at the back here, it's non-stick pan now this, so this will be an interesting one, won't it? Keep a bit more of an eye on that one. As I keep moving it, guys, just keep doing that. And I like mine a bit crispier underneath. And if you move it, it shouldn't stick. There we go. There we go. Just take your time with it. That's what I do with my omelettes. Nice and slow. Right, now I'm going to pack it up. I'm going to put some bacon at the bottom first. I don't know if this is going to be too heavy. We'll find out, won't we? Some sausage then. Okay, you got to keep your one half to flip over. Some black pud. Quite a lot here, isn't there? Quite a lot here. Tomatoes and some mushroom. and some cheese. all on top. And that's going to go in the grill for 5 minutes. Then I'll do the other one. Still nice and loose. Right guys, here we go. Just how I like a little bit of crispy cheese there. Look, let's see if I can get it out. I don't know if it's going to break. Oh, nearly. I'll flick it over. For the content. It's getting that out. See if I can flick that one. It is quite heavy. This is a non-stick pan, this one. Okay, not far off, am I, at the minute? I'll give them a flick in a second. And there we go, I flipped it over. I just looked and I forgot to put my spring onions in, look. That doesn't really matter though. But yeah, they look quite nice, don't they? A bit top heavy. Well, a bit bottom heavy, as you should say. Give me a closer look at the minute. Yeah. There's mine with the black pud. There's that, and I put some beans in the pots there. Right, let's have a eat of it. Yes.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Full English.
Is it?
Yes, full English.
Oh wow.
Yeah, bacon, sausage, obviously the egg with the thingy, mushrooms, tomatoes. Yeah. And I've had black pud on mine.
Oh yeah.
Let me show you.
Can smell.
Yeah, I didn't put it on yours.
Oh,
So.
okay.
Yeah, so there we go, guys. Let me open up. And the gooey cheese. Oh, yes. Ooh, and there's my peas. I forgot to put that in. But if you want to put some on top, I've never done one of these before like this. Full English omelette. So I thought, well, we'll have a go and we'll see. Put the beans to the side. We'll go with this first.
It's nice looking back beans.
Yeah, nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that's nice. Full fry up in one. Let me see if I can cut it in the middle and show you from the middle. Might be better to see it then. If you can, if you really can't, I don't think. Let me show you. Probably can't see it properly, but yeah, it's all there, everything's there. The sausage there, look. Oh yes. Oh, and a bit of brown sauce for me. Not for the faint-hearted, this though, with the calories, is it? What do you reckon calories are in that, Bab?
I don't know, no, don't care.
4 eggs in each, 2 sausage, a couple of bacon. Don't care, just eating it. She don't care, she's just eating it.
Stuff the calories.
Yeah. That's how I was going to do, fry up, and then I thought, oh, let's do an omelette. Something different in it. Let me know if you've done it before. I've never done it before. And yeah, you could just make it like a normal fry up, couldn't you, with the eggs, I suppose. But I wanted to do something a bit different and see. And I think I'll do it again. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's proper nice.
Yeah, I think I'll definitely do that again like that. Getting more stuck in. You're all there. So there we go, guys. So I wasn't going to do one because I was doing my garden. But yeah, I'm going live tomorrow. What time am I going live? Do you reckon? About 12:30. Or before?
No, about 12:30.
About 12:30.
Yeah.
Between 12:30 and 1 I'll be going live tomorrow. Yeah. So say, I'm the old food guy. That is delicious. Let me know if you've tried it. If not, try it. You can even do a veggie one, couldn't you? With your fake bacon and sausage and that, couldn't you?
Yeah.
You could, couldn't you?
Yeah.
See you later. Bye bye.